Hey there, welcome back to iUKship YouTube channel, and today in this video we are going to install SteamOS in an old hardware. So let's get started. The very first step is to download SteamOS from the SteamOS website, and I will link it down in the description. And this is the SteamOS page. It also has the installation guide. Now what is this repo? This repo can help you install SteamOS in hardware that does not have NVMe drives. I will link it down in the description as well. I have already downloaded the SteamOS ISO, so let's get started. First you have to copy the command from the SteamOS page and replace the file name and the drive name in the command. To know the SDX value of your drive, you can type lsblk. Make sure that your USB drive is of 16 GB or more. You can also use Bellnature instead of this command in Windows and Linux. Make sure that the drive is correct, otherwise it will format your other drives. Now we need to wait for it to complete. It took around 35 minutes for me. So yeah, now we wait and then I will show you the other steps. Note that it can take more time if your system is not powerful. Now after the installation is completed, click on reboot and then press the boot button. For example, F9 is for HP, and then select the USB drive and it will boot. One more thing is that it does not support all systems. It supports some Intel and AMD drivers. Also, it only supports UEFI as of now. It does not support legacy BIOS. And finally, after booting, you can now install SteamOS by using the script that I gave. The performance is not that great, but you can try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more content like this.